So this is the list. I have it written out on a whiteboard I bought not that long ago. Bought at Target for on the clearance section for like 15 bucks. So pretty useful. I only have green and orange. Quiet. So yeah, this before we head out to Florida. I'm gonna try and really get through all the stuff here before we head out. Yeah, 26 days left until we go to Florida. So basically, depending on how much money I have and time, basically, because I have work and whatnot, will determine how far we get through this list. So first off, it's the TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring system we have to fix. That light has been on for quite a while. I haven't gotten to fixing it because like the sensors inside, I think the left rear and the right rear are completely turned off, and the one in front left is working, but sometimes it tells me the tire pressure is at 900, and that's not right. The only one working is the one on the right side. Definitely gonna take care of this by buying tires, and along with solving this one, we gotta get some wheels and tires, because like the wheels I have are so dent and damaged. It's so bad. One of them's super dented that like it leaks out air from the fucking pothole, and the tires are kind of balding. Super smooth. I was Tokyo drifting all over the place when it was snowing. We have to do the rear shocks because like the ones I bought from last year when I went to Florida were like 20 bucks, like were like $90 for like the whole set, which is like 45 each. They're not the best, honestly. You feel everything on the road. So I have enough money now to like buy an actual good set of rear shocks. So we'll do that one. We're going to do the cabin air filter, which is super easy, just $10-15 piece, 2-second install. I've done that one before. Brake pads, I've never done brake pad changes or anything related to brakes. So I'm definitely gonna have to like learn how to do all the brake stuff before attempting to like change it on my own, because you know we want to have the ability to stop on a highway or somewhere. But yeah, this might be one of the last ones. We're gonna need an oil change. It's been around 5,000 miles since I've done my oil change. By the time we head out to Florida, I'm gonna change it like the day before, so it's definitely gonna need a brand new oil change by then, and that one should be easy. The AC, fix the heating. Even though we don't need heat for Florida, I kind of will add this to a list to like motivate me to get through it, because in the winter there's like no heat in my car, so it's an igloo in there, so that one's kind of iffy. And lastly is the trunk latch. We've been having troubles opening the trunk. It gets stuck. It just won't open at all. Like at all. Sometimes it'll open once and you close it again and it just never opens for like a month or a couple weeks. It's so annoying. It's so annoying having to like crawl through the back, pull the handle and pop it open. So annoying. So this is one of the big priorities, especially since we're gonna stuff the trunk with like all our luggage and like whatnot we get from Florida. So yeah, very important one. So yeah, this is the list. I'm not sure how much all this will cost, because I'm pretty sure this will be like the most expensive part. But yeah, as we go, I'll probably check mark them. Well, not probably, I will check mark these off and add a running total of how much I've spent so far for all these. So yeah, let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. It's a short video, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. 1 subscribe equals 1 horsepower to the channel. So thank you guys. Wish me luck on this.